Yo, this is how you make Korean spicy noodle. Woo! So today I was cooking myself some pork belly, and I knew this will be the perfect combination together. Yo, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm about to make some Korean spicy noodle, aka bibimbap. So I was in some mood for some Korean barbecue today, so I grabbed some samgyeopsal and some steak. And usually when I eat my protein, I like to usually eat it with some rice or some noodles. So today I decided to make some spicy noodle dish. Felt like it goes perfectly well together with some pork belly, which is pretty damn oily. And to cover that up, some bibimbap. Perfect. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna make the noodles. All right, high heat, we're gonna bring the water to boil. All right, let's eye this out. So I like to grab about quarter size, which is gonna equal around 200 grams. Let's see how good I am with my measurement. Ooh, that was pretty close, 186. You guys gotta give me that. Pretty good with eyeing things out. So look, I just gotta add like maybe this much more to make it to 200. 200 grams of soybean noodle. All right, now the water is boiling. About a teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna drop in the noodles right in. All right, so throw in your noodles in and we're gonna go about 3 minutes. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Whew. Look at that. 뜨거. Perfect. All right, we're gonna drain that joint out. Make sure to rinse it with cold water. All right, make sure to rinse it out in cold water, just like that. We're gonna let that sit. You see how little the noodle was, but after you boil it, look. Whew, this is good enough for about 2 people. Whew. All right, now let's make the sauce. 5 tablespoons of pepper flakes. 5 tablespoons of gochujang. 1, 2. All right, 5 tablespoons of sugar. 6 tablespoons of apple vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of garlic. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Whew. Then we're gonna mix that joint up. All right, so this is the base of the sauce. Whew. And to make it even better, we're gonna add some apple, some pineapple, and some 매실청 in there. Half an apple. Boom, bop, bop. Throw that joint right in. And we're gonna throw 1 slice of pineapple. And a tablespoon of 매실, aka plum syrup. And 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Boom. All right, now we're gonna blend that joint up. All right, so now we're gonna add this right into our sauce. Whew. Just like that. I'll give that a nice little mix. Just like that. So if you let it ferment for a day, it'll taste even better, but you could use it right away. All right, so the noodle's ready and the sauce is ready. We're ready to go. We're just gonna make some garnish because you don't want to just eat noodle itself, right? You want some vegetables in it. Even though there's some pear, even though there's some apple in there, some pineapple in there, we want to add some lettuce, cucumber, kimchi, and some egg to even make it look better. All right, now we have the noodles and the sauce. Let's plate it. All right, 300 grams of noodles. Just like that. And about 6 to 7 tablespoons of the sauce. So this looks too simple. It's just noodles and sauce, right? We need some garnish and we need some crunch to our noodles. So we're gonna be making some garnish for it, all right? All right, so for garnish, we have some cucumber, lettuce, some egg, and kimchi. Some cucumber. Gonna use a mandolin real quick. Ooh. Boom. And for the kimchi, we're not gonna chop it up because we don't want the cutting board all red. I'm gonna chop that joint up with some scissors. and some boiled egg. Sight. I'm just making some extra for my wife. Cut that joint right in half, perfect. We're gonna add a little bit of lettuce. Boom. Half a cup of kimchi. Just a little bit of cucumber. You wanna put green, non-green, green like that, you know? And we're gonna finish with an egg. Boom. Ooh, and some seaweed paper. I almost forgot. And we're gonna throw some seaweed paper right on top. All right, we're gonna finish that with some sesame seed. And just a splash of sesame oil at the end. It's on organic, straight from Korea, baby. And that's it. Whew. Look at that. I'm gonna make some samgyeopsal. I'll be right back. These two, perfect combination. All right, moment of truth, baby, let's go. All right, we're gonna mix everything up. Whew. This is the perfect dish when it comes to summertime because it's just so refreshing, you know? Whew. Ooh, 매워. This joint kind of spicy, so don't go too crazy with the sauce if you're not nice with the spiciness. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe much as I did. And I'll see you guys in the next video.